Hey, Rainbolt, I've been meaning to ask, how do you prep for lectures? I feel like I'm always behind.
If the axe is dull and its edge unsharpened, more strength is needed, but skill will bring success. I'll teach you this skill. Imagine a cop dog with me. COPS is how to prepare effectively for lectures. Let's make this practical. Preparation for lectures is not just about reading your notes, it's about being intentional and strategic. That's where COPS comes in. C. Consciousness. O. Overview and outline. P. Prepare your questions. S. Stillness. Let's walk through it together. 1. Consciousness. Be aware of yourself. Consciousness simply means being aware of how you function, your mind, your body, and your habits. Let me ask you, do you get distracted easily? Do you sit with friends and end up talking instead of listening? If yes, then you already have valuable information about yourself. So what should you do? Sit in front. Reduce distractions. Position yourself for focus. Now, let's go deeper. Your daily routine affects your learning more than you think. The brain loves consistency. When your routine is stable, your brain conserves energy and focuses better. Let all things be done decently and in order. If your routine is scattered, your mind will also be scattered. So, plan your day the night before. Wake up early enough to settle your mind. Now, let's talk about your body, because your brain is part of your body. Your brain is largely made up of water. Even mild dehydration reduces attention, memory, and mental clarity. Out of his belly shall flow rivers of living water. Stay hydrated. Your brain needs it to function well. Heavy meals, especially those high in fats and refined carbs, can make you feel sluggish, because blood flow is directed more toward digestion than the brain. Eat light before lectures so your brain stays alert. Exercise. Physical activity increases blood flow and oxygen to the brain, improving concentration and memory. Even light movement can activate your brain. 2. Overview and outline. Don't dive deep yet. Before class, don't try to study everything deeply. Instead, skim through the material. Ask yourself, what is this topic about?
You are not failing because you are lazy. You are failing because nobody gave you the right system, and that changes today. Brainbolt Mentorship Hub is built for students who put in the work but still don't see results. Real mentors, proven study strategies, a community of learners who hold each other accountable. Thousands of students have already shifted their academic performance just by plugging into the right structure. You don't need to study harder, you need to study smarter. Click the link in the description and join Brainbolt now.
Scientifically, this works because your brain uses something called prior knowledge activation. When you preview information, your brain creates mental hooks to attach new knowledge during the lecture. A wise man will hear and increase learning. If it's a textbook, don't read word for word. Just move through it lightly if it's a video. Watch or listen without pressure. This stage is not for mastery, it is for familiarity. Also, try to get the main idea. Turn concepts into mental images. Your brain remembers images faster than plain text. 3. Prepare your questions. This is where learning becomes powerful. After your overview, ask yourself, what is this topic really about? Why is this important? How can I apply this in real life? This activates your brain's curiosity system, which increases attention and retention. When you ask questions, your brain becomes alert and expectant. You listen more actively in class. Ask, and it shall be given you. Seek, and ye shall find. Write your questions down before class. Why? Because you won't waste mental energy starting from zero. You'll be ready to connect what the lecturer is saying. And in class, ask questions. The deeper your questions, the deeper your understanding. Deep calls unto deep. Also, something important. When you ask questions, you build a relationship with your lecturer. They begin to see you as serious, engaged, ready to learn. And this can help you in tests, assignments, presentation. Stillness. Calm your mind before learning. Stillness is not just silence, it is a state of inner calm and mental clarity. It means your mind is not rushing, worried, distracted, overloaded. Instead, Your mind is focused, settled, ready to receive, be still, and know. Be anxious for nothing. Stillness matters because when your mind is stressed or anxious, your brain releases stress hormones like cortisol. This reduces your ability to focus, understand, retain information. But when you are calm, your brain processes information faster, your memory improves. Your attention becomes sharper, that's why. A calm mind is a ready mind. Final thought. These steps are simple, but they are powerful. And remember, these are not rigid rules. They can be adjusted to fit your personality and schedule. But if you apply them consistently, you'll notice something. You'll understand lectures better. You'll feel more confident in class. And learning will become easier.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe to get more updates from us. Thank you for your support.